Yeah, having observed that we have balanced data sets, which implies that all rows are filled with data. There is no missing data. The next thing is to ascertain if our data are of the required columns, or the features, the quality of the data are of the required format rather. So let us check. How do we check that? We check that using the D type. What type of data do we have? That is data.dtypes. Then run it. Do you see that? We have object, object, objects, and float, integer. Let me explain this quickly. Integers are whole data, they are whole numbers. Yes. While floats are data that contain decimal point in just a layman language. Both float and integer are quantitative in nature, and they are in line with the requirement of machine learning tools. Yes, that is what machine learning requires, that you have quantitative data. So both float and integer are admissible. The difference is that float is decimal point, integer is whole number. But the concern here is the objects. We have three objects columns here, which are reporting, region, and referral source. But I am going to be converting two of these objects to either integer or floats. I am going to be converting them to what? To dummies, especially the region and referral, because machine learning does not work with text. Machine learning does not work with qualitative data. It works with quantitative data. So I need to do what we call encoding. I need to encode it. That is what I am going to do, which is converting the text to dummies, 1 and 0. That is what we call encoding using dummy variables. So that is what we're going to do now. So that is data equals pd. Pd is pandas dot get dummies, which is invite dummies dot comma data comma, let me just paste all these ones here. Okay, data comma columns, region and referral source, the two columns I want to convert to dummies. Get dummies implies that I am including dummies. I am inviting dummies into the columns. I am converting them to dummies. That is what it implies. Get dummies. Then D type means I want to convert it to an integer, because it is likely that if I leave out D type, it is going to convert it into a boolean, which is yes and no, but I don't want that. So I want to force Python to convert it into an integer. So I'm going to run this. After running this, let us confirm if the nature or the quality of the data or the type of data has changed by typing data.dtypes, then run it. What do you see? Do you see that region, it has turned to integer? Can you see? Region London, region East of England, region Northwest, region West Midlands, they have been converted. So let us confirm it by viewing our data. Data.head. Let us view our data. Oh, do you see that? Can you see that? Look at our regions. They have been converted into dummies. Not region 0, not region Northwest, Southeast, Southwest, West Midland. These are the regions we have in the UK. So they have been converted into dummies. This makes our analysis easier, because machine learning understands quantity, not quality. It understands numerics, not text. So these are things we consider when we are cleaning our data, putting the columns into their right context, and of course dealing with missing variables, and of course many others. I hope you learned something. So please, if you have any questions, put it on the comment section. Thank you. Bye.